Did you know that octopuses might actually be aliens living in our oceans? These incredible creatures have biology so weird it seems impossible. While you have one heart, octopuses have three hearts. Two pump blue blood to their gills, and one pumps to their body. Yes, blue blood. Instead of iron like us, they use copper. But here's where it gets really strange. Most of an octopus brain isn't in its head. Two-thirds of their neurons are actually in their 8 arms. Each arm can taste whatever it touches and think for itself. If you cut off an arm, it keeps moving and reacting on its own. And they're incredibly smart. Octopuses can open child-proof bottles that stump human kids. They use tools, solve puzzles, and even recognize individual people's faces. The most mind-blowing part? Octopuses evolved their intelligence completely separately from us. They prove that nature found totally different ways to create consciousness. So next time you see an octopus, remember you're looking at Earth's most alien intelligence.